So today I have a music session with the kids. Guess what I got them? A treat! Today we're going to do By the Rivers of Babylon. By the waters of Babylon, we lay down and wept for thee, Zion. We'll remember thee, Zion. So off to Victory Inner City International School. Ladies and gentlemen, our choir members.
Anne, Blessing, Benis, Ibuku, Alberta, Juanita, Nina, Elom, Caroline, Ethel, Enyonam, Ella, Patricia, Josephine, Paula, Elagbe, Kekeli, Fafal, Joki, Theophilus, Kelvin, Elenam.
So By the Waters of Babylon song is a kind of drill we call the Donokoji drill. So the purpose of this drill is to help the kids to remain in key and melody despite distractions from the other parts. It's also to help them with breath control and how to maintain composure when singing. They did so well. I'm so proud of them.